This is called the Embodied Heart, and it's the first time that I'm teaching in the States an aspect of my work that incorporates movement and expression and exploration, not just healing. It's about who and what we are as human beings, how we express ourselves, how we live, what is the right way to live. Not that there's necessarily any one correct way to live, but if you look at the way that we're organized by nature and the way that we have our bodies and our emotions, our minds, and how these things are actually all related and connected, it becomes clear that nature essentially tells us what is better for us, because it results in health and it results in feeling good. I mean, even just the immune system is tied in so deeply to our feelings and our happiness. And that's what I find so exciting about this work, is that the potential is limitless.